This video discusses the different ways you can create turtles in NetLogo. In order to better understand the different ways to create turtles in NetLogo, you have to understand the different agents in NetLogo. There are four types of agents in NetLogo. The first agent is the observer agent. This agent has no specific location and looks over the entire NetLogo world. It can ask other agents to do things, or it can do things itself. The next type of agent is the turtle agent. This is a mobile agent. This is the agent that you've been using mostly in your programming so far. Each turtle agent can have different shapes and different names and other different properties that you can set. The next type of agent is the patch agent. This is a stationary agent. As you know, the NetLogo world is divided into a gridwork of small squares or patches. Each one of these patches is actually an agent. The last type of agent is the link agent. This agent connects two turtles together. There are three ways to create turtles in NetLogo. The first way, which you've already used in your programming, is the create command. This actually asks the observer to create turtles in NetLogo for you. The command looks like this: create turtles and then a number. That's the number of turtles that you want to create. So this command creates that number of turtles at the origin, the center of the NetLogo world. The turtles that are created have a random color and direction. The next way to create turtles is the sprout command. This command actually asks patches to create turtles for you, and it looks like this: sprout and then the number of turtles you want to create. This command creates that number of turtles at the selected patch. As before, the turtles have a random color and direction. The last way to create turtles is the hatch command. This command asks turtles to create turtles, and it looks like this: hatch and then the number of turtles you want created. One important thing to know about this command is that there must be an existing turtle on the NetLogo plane for this hatch command to work. If there's no existing turtle, then you will get a runtime error in your program. So this command creates the number of turtles you want at the same location as the parent turtle. In order to see the new turtles, you have to actually move the new turtles away from the parent turtle. Each new turtle created inherits all of the parent turtle's properties, including its shape, color, direction, all of the properties that have been set for that parent turtle. So that briefly describes the three ways you can create turtles. If you want more information, you can look at the dictionary that comes with your NetLogo software, or you can go to one of these three websites. I created a little NetLogo program to demonstrate the different ways to make turtles. Let's look at the code. We have four procedures in this program. The first procedure is the setup procedure, which just clears the NetLogo world in this program. The second procedure is the created procedure. In this procedure, we're asking the observer to make turtles for us using the create turtles command, as shown here. We are setting the size of the created turtle to be 3, and we're labeling it with the word created so we can distinguish it from the other turtles that we make. The second procedure is the sprouted procedure. In this case, we're asking patches to make turtles. In order to ask a patch to make a turtle, we actually have to pick a patch to do that. Now, we don't really care in this case which patch makes a turtle for us, so we're going to randomly pick a patch using the one of, which just goes through all the list of patches that are available and picks one randomly. We're going to sprout one turtle, set its size to 3, and label it sprouted. The last procedure is the hatched procedure. In this case, we're going to ask turtles to make turtles. In order to do that, we actually have to pick the turtle that's going to make the turtle for us. Again, in this case, we don't really care which of the turtles we choose, so we're going to use the one of, which goes through the list of existing turtles and picks one for us. Remember, when we ask turtles to make turtles, we use the hatch command. In this case, we're going to hatch one turtle from the turtle we pick. We're going to move it forward 3 spaces and label it hatched. Let's go try it out. We always run our setup command first. Now we're going to ask the observer to make a turtle for us by pressing the create turtle button. There we see that the observer has created a turtle for us in the center of our NetLogo world, and we labeled it created. Now let's ask a patch to make a turtle for us. The program picked a patch for us because we didn't really care which patch, and it made a turtle for us. We could do it again, and it picked a different patch for us to make a turtle, and it labeled it sprouted. The last way to create turtles is to ask turtles to make other turtles. Now, I want to demonstrate to you what happens when there are no turtles existing when you ask the program to hatch a turtle. So we'll clear the NetLogo world for that. Now we're going to ask the program to hatch a turtle for us. We have a runtime error, and it says we asked the program to hatch a turtle, but there were no turtles to hatch a turtle from. Let's go back. We can create a turtle here, and now using this turtle that's existing in the NetLogo world, we can hatch a turtle. Notice that the hatched turtle looks exactly like the parent turtle. Remember, in the program, we actually asked the hatched turtle to move forward. That's why the hatched turtle is not sitting on top of the created turtle. The hatched turtle has exactly the same properties as the parent turtle. So that's it, the 3 ways to make turtles in NetLogo.